Philippines?
Yeah. It's more fun in the Philippines because Filipino are very hospitality. They treat them as a family. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it more fun in the Philippines? It is because of the surrounding. It's very unique. See this house.
Yeah.
That's not American inspired, but Filipino inspired. No?
Hey yo. Why is it more fun in the Philippines?
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Pretty girl.
Why is it more fun in the Philippines? Hey yo.
Oh my gosh, I'm shy.
Why is it more fun in the
It's
Philippines?
more fun in the Philippines because of Itbulaga, Jose Manalo Idol.
Why is it more fun in the Philippines?
No comment.
Hey, how are you? You're
more fun
fine.
in the Philippines because we have Philippines. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's more fun in the Philippines because we have beauty. It's more fun in the Philippines because there are so many beautiful Filipinas.
Why is it more fun in the Philippines?
It's more fun in the Philippines because we
Oh,
have
ano?
heroes who fought for our freedom.
Ah, you know. Why is it more fun in the Philippines, yo?
It is more fun in the Philippines because in every country in the world, Philippines has only the letter P-I-N-E. Philippines.
You know. Thank you, bossing. Mama, chup chup.
It's more fun in the Philippines because they very kind. They use opo and opo like other, you know.
Ang ina mo, gago. Again. Ano masabi mo, ikaw nabunot? Tuwa ako. Thank you, bossing. Batin mo ako, bossing.
Okay na, tingnan natin.
Nakakaiyak
And
ako.